contestants, and today welcome to the Family Cook Show. Today I'll make you a mug cake. So here's how it's gonna be. You need these ingredients. First you'll need hazelnut spread, some eggs, and a spatula, a spoon, and this humongous bowl of mixer, a medium bowl, and a small bowl. The first thing you need to do is that you need to bring 2 eggs, not cracked. Then, put this aside. You need to separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. The first thing I crack them very slowly is that you crack an egg. Another egg, very carefully, and make sure you have an adult with you. And then my dad is coming to separate the eggs. Be very gentle. Oops. There. And be patient with this. So, and then the next step, we brought another bowl because it was harder. That's good. And then we will place it. And then you could put a speed at 2, maybe 4. I put it at 8. Once that's doing it, I will mix the egg yolk. The next step, what you have to do, you bring a 1.5 cup, and you bring a spatula, another spoon, it's getting ready. Now you put the 1.5 cup of hazelnut spread. Wow! Oh, that's ridiculous. That should be enough. Okay. Just a little bit more. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put it in this bowl. That should be enough. We'll wait for that. We'll set that aside. Well, that's setting aside. I will be getting all of this out. Yummy. Put it all in the middle. Once they're done with that, yummy. Put the egg yolks in with the other spoon. And then you mix it gently. It's kind of combining. That's good. Okay. once you're done with that, we'll get the egg yolks, the egg whites. You get another spatula, and then you'll bring egg whites, fluffy. You'll mix it one at a time. You'll repeat that until the egg whites are finished. And it's getting very lighter, as you see, with the egg whites and then hazelnut with egg whites. Thank you. And then you can do it so easy by getting all of it out with a little help with my dad. That should be enough. You mix it. So fluffy, right? So now it's getting very lighter. Now, I will get a bowl so we can put it. Now we will put it with a spatula. Or maybe a spoon will be faster. I'll get a spoon. Oh. This could take a while. So my dad is going to help with pouring it in. That should be enough. You can do more and more, but I'm gonna make a lot. Once you're done with that, you're gonna microwave it for. So I just got it out of the oven. It is perfectly fine, but it's very hot, so be careful with getting out of this. Be sure to be with an adult while taking this out of the microwave. Now I'm gonna shake this whipped cream again. That should be fine. You can add whipped cream and chocolate syrup, but for me, I want to. Perfectly yummy. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did, smash that like button and bye.